Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, you'll see the main interface with the address bar at the top. This is where you'll be working throughout this tutorial. Now, navigate to the website you want to bookmark. For this example, I'm going to use google.com. Just type it into the address bar at the top and press enter. Wait a moment for the page to fully load before moving to the next step. This ensures that Brave captures the correct page information when you create the bookmark. Once the page is loaded completely, direct your attention to the upper left panel of your browser window. You'll notice a bookmark, this tab icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is specifically designed to save the current page to your bookmarks, making it easily accessible whenever you need it in the future. After clicking the bookmark icon, a small window will pop up on your screen. This is where you can customize how and where your bookmark is saved. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to select the folder where you want to store this bookmark. Click on this drop-down to reveal all your available bookmark folders. This organization feature is really helpful because it lets you keep your bookmarks sorted by category, making them much easier to find later on. Take a moment to browse through your folder options and select the one that makes the most sense for this particular bookmark. Whether you're organizing by work, personal interests, or specific projects, choosing the right folder now will save you time when you need to access this site again. Once you've selected your preferred folder from the drop-down menu, look for the Done button at the bottom of the pop-up window. Click on Done to finalize and save your bookmark. The pop-up will close, and your bookmark is now stored in Brave browser in the folder you selected. And that's it. You've successfully added a bookmark in Brave browser and organized it into the folder of your choice. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.